Welcome back to Bulldog Builds. We're going to update you today on the Cadillac and the tractor project, but we're also going to check in on the daytime students where they're busy working on a couple of donated vehicles to get them ready for resale. We've thrown in a little bit of dirt bike work just for good measure. We hope you enjoy this episode.
We removed the cotter pins and capsule nut to take out the half shafts. We fabricated pieces to take the place of the pitman arm and idler arm to go along with the plate we made earlier to lock the steering down. Now that the sleeves are ready to bore, I will use an inside micrometer to measure the internal diameter of the sleeve. I'm using an outside micrometer to measure the diameter of the piston so we know how much to bore for proper clearance.
This 89 Chevy was losing brake fluid to the rear wheels. With no sign of obvious leaks, we're pulling the drums off to have a look. To do this, the axles will need to be removed.
You can see the wheel cylinder has been leaking for some time. Because of this, we will replace the shoes plus hardware along with the wheel cylinder on both sides.
There you go. Oh,
This 2006 Ford Mustang was donated to us with a transmission issue. We diagnosed this problem as a torque converter lockup solenoid. The solenoid bank is more expensive than a used transmission, so we're putting a used transmission in it.
this was lined up right now.
After initial diagnosis, we think that this bike has jump time, so I'm taking off the valve cover to check.
You can see our piston is on top dead center. The timing mark you see on the camshaft around 2 o'clock should be at about 3. So it's clearly jumped at least one tooth, or someone has put it together incorrectly. Hear it? Yeah. There we go. Next time on Bulldog Builds, we'll begin fabricating for the airbag suspension on the Cadillac, start the boring process on the final 2 tractor cylinders, and we'll check in to see how the Mustang, the truck, and the motorcycle fared. See you then.